Hmar Chanchinthar ngai thatu hai in reng in chibai thamur tarik niku ningani sangni somni Hmar tonga Chanchinthar team tu Olivia F Tusing amasan chanchin tlangpui singat police in mi pahni anman Dr. Chalton Lin amole team in Pherzol district anfang mek patpui mun job card ni som pahni hlo sem Manipur Chief Minister Pu N Biren Singin project tamtak ahong ITBP mi sompasari COVID-19 invoy Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren in Khumshan Hu anthok US anhnuk dokding Tu hin chanchin kim changlemin Manipur Police Singat Police Station a hai chun disaster management dan nuya mi pahni pu khamlun kap simte kumsom thum pahni ginza kap naupa CLC khu le sanglian thanga kumsom parit pula rod fela naupa champhai Mizoram hai anman anni pahni hi teikhang Mizorama inthokin Haichin Chin State Myanmar kia hung ro thlengin singat an hung lota COVID shipui le inzoma lockdown an bo sit leya man anni ti in singat police thusuk chunashil mana hai hi India Penal Code IPC 51B Disaster Management Act case sim khum anni Dr. Chalton Lin amo PSC chairman le Pherzol District Community Quarantine Management Committee chairman chu Pherzol District a athang mek Dr. Amo hi Pherzol DCP Manwam Ching IAS Dr. Phirthang Lin Bushil Chief Medical Officer Pherzol District Pu S David Piaklian MPS Pherzol District Superintendent of Police P Lalming Lin ZEO Pherzol District le Ti Thangchin Lian District Forest Officer Hai Nanzui Thamur Niri Sangni Somni Zani Zingkar Khan Pu Dr. Chalton Lin Amole Team Hain Pherzol Khotlang Quarantine Center Ankana Quarantine Center a Hai Me Manding Pherzol Task Force Hai Kum Anpek Chonhungdar Khat Khan Dr. Amole Team Hin Parbung Khosung Home Quarantine Center Ankana Parbung Khotlang Home Quarantine Center hin mi somrit le pathum an ummeka Dr. Amole team hin Parbung Home Quarantine Center a mangding sanitizer dam nurse le doctor hai in veng him na thum personal protective equipment thanem tok tak an peka chun Parbung Community Health Center a atul na na mangding thuk pek na ventilator pakhat an pek baka center hai bufai bek le meding an pek zanting vok thatin thlai thleng an kiltlang hi huna hin Dr. Amo MLA baka Pherzol DCP Man Nomching Chief Medical Officer Dr. Phirthang Lin Bushil Zonal Education Officer P Lalming Lin le SP Pu S David Piaklian Hai Khoma Thu an Shil Seng Pherzol DC le SP Hain an thushil na chun Khotinin kot suwa milut ding dangna gate an sim hai chu lomu manti lai zingin khirtalua loading le Manipur sunga hai chu dan anga in fe po phalwong an ta ti thu an shila state sunga mi chu zalen taka in fe po thei an talein sarkar dan ba ka in khu khir atul no thu an shil Parbunga hunan mangzo hin MLA le team hi lungthulin ting an fe thla a bil fang an sunzom peiding ani ti in ei thulak na chun na shel Job card ni som pani lo chungchanga village authority le mi pui hain kara in shit tu no na lein patpui mun valupa le HYA hai chun village authority fe kanin in khatpa in khom ko ania hi huna hin village authority members hai khom kim takin an thang sengbok Vangai Range SDO Pu Derek L Khobongin kuwachi hun kum hlun nei hai chawin an changding ati thule eiram a develop theina dinga kuwa phun urding ati le inzomin patpui mun village authority chun hun kum hlun nei mi somruk hai kuma kuwachi singthum semding in thutluk na an sima chu ku vachi chu material cost in adei no lein nikhat thalo themsa in a uma chu nikhat hlo mangbak chu cheng sang zathum in lasem dingin village authority hai chun antia chutak chu mipui le ko kara in sheet tu no na talein in khat pa hi in khom ko ani in shil tu vong ani nungin job card holder hai ko ma cheng sang ni sengle kuwachi zani som nga sengin zani zanting dar nga chanve khan sem aloni ta ti in ei thulak na chuna shel zani khan Manipur Chief Minister Pu N Biren Singh in project tam tak ahong tulai covid shipui leya puipung khap ani lein hi project hai hi video conference a hong elan ni Pu Biren Singh in project ahong highlight hin water supply project panga athanga hing hai hi nui sang le zarit somthum pakhat le point pali paruk senga bolan ni project honga hai chu hing Porampat Integrated Water Supply Project IWSP Sangak Pham IWSP Kanchipur IWSP Hengang Awang Leikai Water Supply Scheme le Churachandpur Water Supply Hai anni hing hai ba kahin Distribution Network Office Building of Controller of Legal Metrology and R&D Center Lamphel CAF and PD le COVID-19 Rapid Antigen Testing Center Ziribam Hai ahong sabok Manipur le Mizoram COVID-19 ngirmun Zani zanting dar sari chena Manipura positive case musuk tapo sang zali somthum panga active case zaruk somli pani damfil tapo zasari somku pathum Zani zanting dar nga chena Mizorama positive case musuk tapo zahnile pakhat active case somnga parit damfel tapo za somli pathum Thamurni ritnia e9 na tarlangdanin Indo-Tibetan Border Police ITBP hai chu darkar som nipali sungin mi som pasari zetel COVID-19 anin voiti musu kani India sipai mi za somruk paruk invoi megle zahni somrit pani damsu kan ni na shel Jharkhand Chief Minister Hmar Chanchinthar home quarantine dingin achengna ramchina ankhum shanding thu official thusuk chuna shel Jharkhand official thusukin ashil peidanin Chief Minister Hmar Chanchinthar hin Drinking and Sanitation Minister Mithilesh Thakur alawin mupui baka alawin thlopui leya in ringla thua in khumshan ani Drinking and Sanitation Minister Mithilesh Thakur hi tholenia COVID-19 positive ani thu shit su kani Jharkhand Chief Minister Hmar Chanchinthar Chief Minister Office sa sintho hai po mani in senga in khum shandingen ashil tol Jharkhand ahin ei thulak hun chena mi sangthum somnga paruk COVID-19 invoi an ta sangni zale pali damsuk tale zakule somthum anvoi mek an ani tu chena thi chu mi somni pani antlingta United States of America chun World Health Organization WHO anthok July niruk sangni somni pakhat in anin hnuk dok tading ni in UN thusuk chuna shel US President Donald Trump in thutluk na feltak asim dungzuya pung ani ti in UN chuna shel US chun World Health Organization WHO hin coronavirus chung thua hin China hemdan dana zibo puppet agency ti in anthim no hle World Health Organization WHO website in atarlangdanin US in World Health Organization apek ding sumbituk $1 million zahni angin ashel Ole khang hai pau kha tu ta tuma Chanchinthar ei pung le ei ngai thak thei hai chu ani ngai thla tu hai hun mangin hoi seng ro